We're in
recording.
Jasmine Street
Hindi
and
pala naka-record yun kanina.
Provincial Road. And we're on our way to Santo Tomas River.
Puso. Ayaw pa naman nila yung inaano yung mga yun. Pagkaguan. Yung hamsa. Saan daw liligo pa ba? Kakaliwa kanan ba? May limit yung speed limit dito 30. They have a speed limit here. Alam ko na bakit may speed limit dito kasi ano pa babao. Basahin niyo yung ano yung sign para ano. Pag residence ka daw, wala daw bayad. Ayan, pwede rin dito oh.
Sa atin naman to eh.
Do I park around here or what?
Ah, just fine parking yun naman. Saan pa, Merlin? Diretso pa?
Dito, pag ganun
O, diretso daw. Up. I think it's better there anyway. Wow.
Maganda rito.
Wow.
Oh, we're in the desert. We're in the deserts. I never thought Philippines had a desert. Where is the place?
We have to walk there, honey. You park here and we walk there.
Swimming pool. Ilog yun. Ang ganda ng ilog ang dito. Ilog pala. Ayun, tonto ang mga bata.
Huh? What? This? Let me make sure I can see.
Yeah.
Good.
So we are going to the river today because it's hot. We're in the Phok Resort. Here, as you can see, it's a Phok Resort.
Keep the eye on the steps.
Oh. Here. So we are here now. I am the videographer, of course. Oh, it's blue. It's kind of deep here because it's kind of very deep here. Ayaw ko sana asin Where?
It's over there. Right here, just stay right here.
It's kind of blue. No. And it's many people here. Let's go.
Okay, so this is supposed to be the Santo Tomas River, but it doesn't look like a river to me. It's like a lagoon.
Peter.
Anyway, it looks nice. Got cottages for you to do your cookout. Shy. Careful. Is the water cold? Shy. Is it cold? And so there is an entrance fee here. I gotta find out how much it is. But they have a sari-sari store here where you could buy little treats. How much was the entrance fee per person? 10 pesos? Okay. That's not bad.
20, I think 20. 300 ano ba yun? Maybe 20.
So they have bathrooms here also. A water pump to wash your feet, or I guess you could shower there. And that's the name of the resort. Be careful they don't splash water on it. Don't splash water on your hand. It feels nice, the water. This way. Jasmine. Hello. Where you want? Let me get the recording from here. Yeah, I know, but wait, let me get some recording.
Let me go through this.
camera is that, sir? DJI?
Yeah, DJI.
Oh.
DJI
I have
Osmo.
a camera, GoPro 13.
Oh, the GoPro. Yeah, I
I
have.
like the DJI, Action 5.
Yeah, those ones are good because you could go in the water, right?
Oh.
Yeah, this
You
one.
try
This,
okay.
yeah, this one cannot go in the water. I already did one of them. I had to return
So
it.
it's so expensive, I think.
Yeah.
How much is that?
This like
13,000?
no, it's like 500. So this is like maybe this one $500.
$100.
Yeah.
Times 50.
Okay, so it's like 25,000 pesos.
10,000. It's the same my GoPro 13.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But it's good. Very good recording.
Huh?
Yeah, 4K.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
All right. Take care.
Let's check around there for this time of the day.
Yeah, it looks like it stretches out because you see a lot of cars parked down there. Let me see. Okay. Look, they have a little kubo right in the middle of the water there.
Huh?
They have one inside the water.
Yeah. They said we don't know this place yet, so I have to look around which one are better.
So it's the first time we come here, but so far so good. It's nice. Yep, one side is like a desert, nothing but sand.
The other side is so green. Look.
I mean, I'm sure when it's a raining season, that's probably flooded there. This dry season now. Oh wow, that's bigger down there.
What they're harvesting in there?
I'm not sure.
There's a bottle here, maybe.
Just throw it down. Yeah.
Kasi baka magulungan.
Yep.
More in there.
There's less people too.
But where's the entrance going there?
Probably down right through there.
Gels.
Yeah. Let's see what the lady's coming.
Okay, gels.
Yep. But we already pay entrance on the other one. Okay, so there's many options here. Yeah, it looks like Gels is the nicest place so far.
Yeah, they have. Wow, so green in there.
Wow, nice fields. Nice plantation there.
This one is green and this one is empty.
Yeah, I know. But like I said, when it's raining season, that's probably full of water there. It's probably like a big lake.
You know, there's a lake in here. A big lake.
Is that the one that they call the New Zealand of the Philippines? Yeah, it's like every gels. Yeah. And this is Jovan, so there's like every 20 feet they got a different another place to go down. You get a lot of shade here.
Let's see the way. All the way.
Yeah, let me turn this off because it might get too hot. Oh, that place looks crowded.
Yeah.
Nah. They probably do a lot of cook there. That's why they have there's like restaurants down there. See that? Because I see tables and stuff down there, and I smell food. So they probably do a lot of cook out there.
I wonder how it is.
I'm gonna go down there. I'm gonna go look.
Go right here, become the other side.
Right here. It's the same thing. Look, you go there. Okay, we're gonna go check this place out. See what it's all about. For next time, we're not gonna actually bring the kids here because they're in the other side and we already paid the entrance. So we're just scouting the place out for next visit. A lot of steps, but you gotta go down to find out. Hello. Okay, so there's a lot of tables here for a picnic. So you could grill here, but it is a bit crowded because today's a holiday, so I believe it's Independence Day here in the Philippines. Wow, that's nice. Right there eating on the water. And the nice fields here. So this is a rice paddy here. As far as you can see. All right, I'm gonna go back up. This pretty nice location here, and the water is running here. It's nice seeing people enjoy themselves. So they do have the place to get dressed and take a shower, use the bathroom. Pretty good. Hello. Joanne's up there. She didn't come down because there's a lot of steps, and she'll be able to see it on the upload once I do that, maybe tonight. Ask that guy how much they rent the UTVs just to get it on film.
How much?
Just ask him.
They renting now?
Yeah.
And then what they gonna do? To go right here. Magkano na renta dyan? Magkano daw po renta?
500 yung start.
Ilang oras po yan?
30 minutes for 500.
500 for 30 minutes.
Okay.
Pag may angkas po,
And where do they ride it
If you
here
have
or down there? Oh, okay. So you gotta go down there.
and then if you
Okay.
like somebody back ride 750. So you can do back ride.
What
You have to
the?
pay extra.
That's a rip.
250 per person for back ride.
What does it matter to them if you put somebody in the back? Oh well, that's their business. So that's pretty nice down there. That's called Felarca Tampisawan.
Pero, that what?
It's pretty nice down there. If you wanna like cook, if you wanna bring food, because they have a lot of tables. You'll see it when I upload the video.
They charge
I don't know.
for,
I don't know.
Cottage.
I don't know. There was a reception area, but I didn't ask. I guess that would have been nice for me to ask. You gonna go see it?
But it's better the other side of this one.
Yeah, I think this one is better if you bring food. Go ahead.
The problem is if I go down, I'm gonna.
Yeah, you're gonna get tired.
I'm gonna get tired. Yeah, I have asthma.
Okay. Okay, we arrived at Encantadia, and we're gonna go down and check that one out. Go down that way, hon. Right here. Welcome to Benoy. John. That's where we are. It's the same thing. We came up through here. Okay, go to the next one then. Hello.
See what time now?
3:55.
Ano pala dito? Private? Dito ka dahil, sir?
No, no. I have a channel, but I'm not maybe in the future. Are you guys?
Right there.
Oh, what's the name?
Richard.
Richard. But the name of the site, your channel?
No.
Oh, you don't have a channel. Okay. Because the steps are kind of narrow, so we gotta wait. All right, Han, let's go. What's up, Tika? There.
Tangina pumalit si bakla.